San Sebastian cheesecake, one of the most expensive cheesecake in the world, in city San Sebastian in Spain. Really completely different taste than Basque cheesecake, which we did last week. Flavor, aroma, name it. This really original recipe from the city itself. I was lucky to working in Spain for 3 years. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younis. In my YouTube channel, everything about pastry, bakery, ice cream, Milicoli pastry, name it. All plated dessert for Michelin restaurant, for mean dining, even for buffet, all in one. All the cake and bread you want in your life, you will find in my channel. Let's start. So easy recipe, you can do it exactly in 4 minutes. 800 gram Philadelphia, 300 gram normal sugar, 6 eggs, 1 vanilla bud or vanilla steak, 400 gram fresh cream, pinch of salt, 30 gram of corn flour or normal flour. Sugar, Philadelphia together, then one, and this is the most secret recipe. This is who bring all the flavor of cheese together. Have fresh lemon zest and have fresh lemon juice. This exactly which bring the whole combination flavor to your brain up. Not too much, just have big lemon. And then we start vanilla. Must be vanilla buds or vanilla steak. Of course you can add it vanilla extract, but will never be the same taste. I open vanilla bud and then add it to the eggs. Let's whisk. Philadelphia, have lemon zest, have lemon juice. Then I added my sugar. And this whole recipe for only one cake, 24 centimeter. You can see I start to make it soften. Then I added the sugar, then the eggs. When absorb the eggs, I added another one. In the video below, you will find how to make American cheesecake, hot cheesecake, cold cheesecake, Japanese cheesecake, Basque cheesecake, all in my YouTube channel. Any dessert in the world, just press down and you find folder for keto bread, for keto cake, keto cookies, keto dessert, vegan cake, vegan milk, vegan butter. Anything in pastry world you will find in my YouTube channel, Sugar Emperor. Now I try with corn flour and also I try with normal flour. But when I use normal flour, it gives more flavor. Finally, I added 400 ml of fresh whipping cream. Slowly until dissolve all, then my cake is finished. You can see I must make sure that the whole combination is smooth, and then I prepare the cake ring. Cake ring is only 24 centimeter for the whole recipe, almost 1 kilo 500 gram for only mold 24 centimeter. If you have tart cake or cake I cover with plastic film from bottom, and then I roll with parchment paper or butter paper. Must be 10 centimeter high. So the cake ring itself is 5 centimeter, and you must do double paper so it will be strong. And here it is. I pour the whole quantity into 24 centimeter cake ring. In meantime, I preheat my oven 230. Make sure that the paper is really fine. I pour all the quantity, all the mixture. Take all the side. It's almost 1 kilo 500 gram. You can with toothpicks just to mix, to be sure there is no bubbles, or you can shake it 2-3 times to take the whole bubbles up. So I have set cake. Yes, now is ready to bake. 235 for 35 minutes, but with my experience is better 225 Celsius for 40 minutes. You have amazing cake. Sebastian cheesecake, it's same like Basque cheesecake, is burnt, but more aroma and flavor. They serve it with white chocolate in Spain. I make it plain, and you feel free to do whatever you want. Now is ready. I keep it after I bake at least 1 hour to cool down to be room temperature. Then I cover with icing sugar, and it's be ready. I prefer to eat it room temperature, not cold. I hope you enjoy watching my YouTube channel. Please make like. If this first time, you make subscribe and write the comment which dessert you want to learn. So in 2-3 weeks maximum, I will do it for you. Have a good day. Ahmed Yunus.